Many people are addicted to your energy and obsessed with you. You have many people that are fixated on you. Some of these people are love interests. For others of you, I feel like these could be individuals that are very eager and desperate to collaborate with you on some sort of business venture. They see you as their good luck charm, they see you as someone that can boost their profile. You have left some of these people out in the cold because you became aware of their intentions. And some of these individuals, like I mentioned before, wanted to be seen with you. They wanted to align with you to get some sort of clout. And some of these people were your competitors. Now, I must add, if they were competing with you, it was a one sided beef because you weren't aware that these individuals were competing with you, but they saw you as a threat. And for some of you, they wanted to see your downfall. You are a star, okay? You shine very brightly. You have a lot of charisma and star quality. And a lot of people are drawn to you. I say it all the time on this channel, right? A lot of people are drawn to you, drawn to your light. You're very high vibrational. I believe personally that most of you that I'm speaking to are not from here. You must have heard the term star seed. I feel as if you belong to a certain group of individuals who are here to raise the vibrational frequency of this universe. You embody the energy of love, you spread light. And unfortunately, you have other people that do not spread love and light. Now, I know we have our light side and our dark side, but I'm talking about those people that are low vibrational, that have given their energies to the dark forces. And these types of people seek you out because they want to stop and block you spreading your good luck. They want to stop and block you from spreading your love. They want to stop and block you from helping others, raising awareness, helping people to tap into their power, helping people to spread more love, right? These types of people find you to be an irritant because you showcase something to them that they don't want to see, i.e., they want to keep others as low vibrational as themselves. They want people to succumb to the dark forces. So they will try and rally up the troops. And when they see that you are not on the same page as them, you become their enemy. And I feel as if you are untouchable. You're untouchable in a sense whereby if these people have tried to, send spiritual attacks to you, it doesn't work. Because the thing is, the more high vibrational you are, the less acceptable you are to these spiritual attacks. And some of these individuals may skirt around you. You may find people not wanting to be your friend for no reason. You may find people trying to turn other people against you, especially when you are in certain groups, clubs, organizations, friendship groups, workplaces, etc. You may find sometimes that people just don't like you when you're in these types of places because you vibrate very highly and your type of energy is not really seen in these types of environments because you may get a lot of people that are followers, you may get a lot of clicks, and you're the type of person that may not belong to one clique. You can just, filter around with different groups, or you just hang around by yourself and you stand out. And some people, what tends to happen is they become obsessed with you. So they try and deter others to not like you because of their obsession with you. They're in admiration of you, you see. And they are angry with themselves that they are in admiration of you. So what they will try and do is deter others from liking you by maybe spreading gossip or trying to point something out about you that they actually admire, but they try and turn it into something weird. because it's their way of not accepting the fact that you are that girl or you are that guy. Just to add, and also they see how much attention that you generate. And up until the point you came onto the scene, they believe that they were that girl or that guy. And in order to try and stick to the narrative of them being who they're not, they try and ridicule you, shame you, target you, turn people against you. They also can see some of these individuals that are obsessed with you, that, you know, you are very attractive and people of the opposite gender are very attracted to you. And in order for you not to be seen as attractive, they try and maybe embody your energy, try and become you better than you. You know, you get these types of individuals, and the reason why they're doing it is because they're actually a fan. And also, you could tend to connect with people like in a relationship whereby they may start becoming jealous of you. So it's very important to date someone that is an energetic match, i.e., they are successful in their own right and you are successful in your own right. And when I'm talking about success, I'm not just talking about the type of job you have, I'm talking about success within self, right? The type of energy that you carry, okay? It's best to connect with someone that's a match to you so that there's no discrepancies there, because you can tend to meet people and date people that want to be with you to get attention, etc., but when they start to see the type of attention you get, they can't cope. So what can tend to happen is they can start competing with you and trying to tear you down, you know, trying to, you know, pit you up against people that are not on your level, to make you second guess yourself. And when I say not on your level, I'm talking about energy wise, morals, etc., right? So these are the types of people, unfortunately, that you can actually attract. And you can also actually attract people that are just so besotted by you. They could pretend that they're your friend, but they're actually infatuated by you. They're actually obsessed and in love with you, okay? And they can actually deter away other love suitors. And you may feel like, why am I always single? You know what I mean? Especially if you go out and you may feel no one's not, you know, paying you any mind. Some people are paying you mind, but you could have certain people around you that stop and block people from coming towards you. I also feel like you have ended relationships with people, right? Friendships, romantic relationships with people, and these people have been very deceitful behind your back. Like their admiration did actually unfortunately turn to envy, and you had to go cold on them. These individuals are very desperate to reopen a cycle with you because they see you as someone that they can actually have a future with. You know, at the time they were not looking, they were not thinking about what you actually brought to the table. They were not thinking about who you were as a person. They were just looking on the outer, you know, how you both look together, say. They weren't taking into consideration that you are someone with integrity. You are someone with family values. You know, you're very traditional and you are someone that's law. You're someone that most people in their right frame of mind would love to settle down with. But it's only now they're realizing that. And now they're realizing and they're shocked that you do not have any more feelings for them, because once upon a time you gave these people your all and these people manipulated you. They use a lot of mental manipulation, for some of you unfortunately magic, to try and keep you stuck to their energy. And some people aligned with you and try to embody your energy, but they're still trying, you know, because of their obsession with you. And their obsession with you is actually driving these people mad, to be quite blunt with you, you know, because there was, I should say, sorry, a lot of energy they sent your way to try and keep you bounded to them. And this same energy is ricocheting, or it has ricocheted right back. And these people are all up in their feelings. They're literally crashing out. Ever since you have disconnected from these people, their abundance, their money has been fluctuating. And for some of you, it has stopped. Losing you has been a great upheaval for these individuals. They are